hurt straight up.
Hey y'all, I'm moving my room around and I realized I should be recording. Bear with me, okay? But I'm moving my desk like closer to me, and then I'm throwing away my nightstand because my mom already been saying I need to throw it away anyways. I'm just like, I'm gonna throw it away. So I'm gonna throw it away. What y'all see is chaotic, okay? What y'all see is chaotic. It's gonna look better. It's just, I got everything everywhere. The only thing that's made is my bed. That's the only thing that's made. But, you know, bear with me, okay? Okay, my bed is made. This is the nightstand that's about to be thrown away. Everything on it is going back over there. But I need to clean it off and then stuff like that. But this used to be like over there more, right next to my dirty basket. And then, but I moved it closer to over here. That's where my desk used to be. That's over there now. That's my cupboard. This room is looking a mess, but it's not. It's coming. I'm taking those down. And the rest of that's it. That's all that I'm moving. So this is where it's gonna be. So, you know, it's tilted so I can watch TV. Y'all understand it? Y'all getting it? I just bought these sheets from Amazon. But yeah, y'all.
Straight up.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Ain't nothing about good. Ain't nothing good. I got a work meeting that I gotta be at 10 a.m. And it's 2 hours away. So I'm up early. I just can't believe. Hold on, y'all. Let me get up out of here. Yeah, I don't know, man, but y'all finna come with me. I see the sun ain't even out yet.
30 hurt straight up.
Yeah, I made it. I just want to, I'm showing y'all my hair right now. Like, But yeah, I made it. The meeting don't end until 3. It's 12 something. It's lunch. So, yeah. My YouTube brother say I get wiggins falls every day.
30 hurt straight up.
Hi, you guys. We're going to Miami. But yeah, we are heading to Miami. We're going to a birthday dinner. And y'all want to see the fit? Let me see y'all. Let me show y'all the fit. Okay. Hi, you guys. I'm a little out of breath. Just wanted to show y'all another bouquet because I feel like I haven't showed y'all a bouquet in a while. So here I go. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it cute? Yeah. y'all, that wasn't a restaurant I came all the way to Miami for. It was just, I got here early and I'm starving, so we just went and found something. But it wasn't all that. I just got some fries. It wasn't all that. I'm still hungry. I need me some food. But yeah, I'll let y'all know when I get to the real restaurant, you know? Ain't no way to look greedy I got. He's like, yeah, you got big money. We thought it was like, you got big money. I don't got no big money. I said, please get this waiter back here. This waiter, he's nowhere to be found. Rushing himself, going everywhere. And I finally got this man back. I said, for one of the linguinis, can I get the mashed potatoes and some macaroni? Megan, why these mashed potatoes have yolk gold? Yolk. Them things didn't taste like no mashed potatoes. The macaroni was nasty.
And they told me something, you got some money. Where did I see the prices?
They're like, oh, I thought Christian's like, I thought you saw the prices. No, I didn't see no prices. $72 and it didn't even fill up the whole plate. I ain't going nowhere no more. I'm staying home.
That's probably why he got it.
Take me.